Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and join GroupMe. So let's get started the video. Download GroupMe. Open your Google Play Store or App Store. Now click on the search bar and search for GroupMe. Once you are here, click on the install button. It will take some moments to download and install the program. Once it's installed and download finish, click on the open button. Now you have to sign in to your GroupMe account, or if you don't have one, you can create one. And let's sign into the GroupMe account. And there you have it. That's how you can join on GroupMe. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.